morning, kids. Miss Shaver here. Today we are going to be making mountains, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you're going to want a nice piece of wax paper, and you're going to want to get some masking tape and write your group's name on the masking tape and stick it to your wax paper. Then you're going to start with some flour, and you want 1 cup of flour. And you're going to put that in your bag. And a 1/2 cup of salt. Alright, once you have that, then you're going to take a 1/2 cup of water and pour that in your bag. Then you're going to mix it all around. So you should get a nice salt dough. In your groups, you guys should take turns. Let everybody get a chance to mix it. Oh, forgot one thing. So you're going to mix this up, and then you're going to add some food coloring. Hold on. Got it. Alright, this is where it might get messy, so you need to be super careful. So you're going to take your salt dough out on your wax paper. I think. Ooh. Really worked a lot better in my head. Ah, there it is. Okay, here's a clump. You might want to mix it on your wax paper, and if it's really dry and crumbly, add a little more water. It's okay if it's crumbly. That's going to come in handy later. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. And, okay. This is going to be a mess. Okay. All right, so you're going to get some salt dough, and then you're going to split it into 4 piles. Each pile is going to be a different color. This is the second messy part. So you're going to need your food coloring. And you're going to take and make one of your things red. Let's see, that was about 3 drops. And then I'm mixing it. Okay, yep. So maybe one partner could mush around the red one until it all gets red. Okay, well anyway, so that's going to be my red one. Then we're going to have a blue one. You know, I'm thinking you need more like, oh, that blue is really good. Huh. Okay, so that was just 3 drops, and you can see how dark that is. So be careful not to get this on your clothes. I think it washes out. Hands are going to be colorful today. So fun. Okay, so this is the blue. Oh, the blue worked really good. Okay, there we go. Really get that in. So that was just 3 drops of blue. So I'm going to add a couple more drops of red, maybe. Oh, I think I just didn't pour it out very good. 3 drops of red seems to be pretty decent too. Alright. So you're going to mix that up real good. And and it's okay if it's not solid red. Okay, so there's my red, my blue. Make sure the lid gets back on. Then we've got green and yellow. So I'm going to do, I think 4 drops. 4 drops of green and 4 drops of yellow. Oops, that was more like 6. Okay, and then mix that together. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the rock sediments, so the little pieces that have eroded from the earth, and we're going to be using those sediments to actually build a mountain. Each layer of your mountain is going to be a different color. And this is where you can get as creative as you want. If you want to just start with, wow, I think we're going to need a lot of red. When you guys do this, you can add more than 3 drops of red. I'm thinking 6 or 7. Okay, so the red could be the base of your mountain. Then you could take some blue. Maybe then some yellow. Some green. Okay, so you guys can see how it's layering. And remember, rocks or mountains, you can really see the different layers, and you can pretend that each one of these is just a different kind of rock. So you can spend as much time with your group making your layers as thin or as thick as you want. Everybody's mountain is going to look a little different. So you're going to build up your mountain with all your colorful layers. Then, okay, I'm just going to put red on top. There's my layered mountain, right? And you kind of want to shape it so it looks like a mountain. There we go. Just like that. Then if you have any powdery stuff left over, go ahead and smush that on there too, because that's going to be some more rock sediments that might erode away later when we weather our mountains. The last thing you're going to do, you're going to take a straw from Miss Shaver and you're going to stick it down the middle, and then we're going to mark where the top of our mountain is. And of course I forgot my straw. 1 minute. Alright, this tool is going to help us measure our erosion of our mountain. So build it up however you want, and then you're just going to stick it down in there, and you can trim it. Maybe put some more on. Okay, then I'm going to mark the very top with my Sharpie. This is going to be how we scientifically keep track of our eroding mountain. Alright, when you're done, please, please, please clean up your mess. Have fun with this, guys, and behave.